Hello everyone, I am Shubhantika, legal intern at Lexis & Company for the month of June, and today in this video we'll understand the differences between a promissory note and a check. I have already made videos on the differences between a bill of exchange and a promissory note and a bill of exchange and a check, and now it's time to revisit the topic by coming to the differences between a check and a promissory note. So let's get into the meaning of both the terms. So the meaning of check is basically a check is an order to the bank to pay a stated sum of money from the drawer's account on written on specifically permitted form. That the check that you get from the bank, it's basically a specially printed form that allows you to basically transfer money from one account to another or pay on demand, but it is only paid to a bank. A promissory note, on the other hand, is an unconditional promise in writing made by one person to another, signed by the maker, engaging basically to pay on demand or at a fixed determined future time a sum of certain money to the order of a specified person or the bearer. So it is basically there is no such a very given document that you need to adhere to when you are making a promissory note, but there are some basic requirements that one needs to keep into consideration. But the basic ideology is that a promissory note is basically a promise that you yourself make, that on a particular date in the future you will make the payment for the such specific amount to the bearer of the promissory note or the person specified in the promissory note. According to the definition, the check is defined under Section 6 of the Negotiable Instrument Act as a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand. So it is only paid to a banker and only on demand. The promissory note is mentioned under Section 4 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, and the promissory note is an instrument in writing, not being a banknote or a currency note. These are the exceptions to the promissory note, okay, containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker itself. Okay, it's an undertaking that I undertake. If I am the maker of the promissory note, then I undertake that on a specified date I will pay this much amount, and it is signed by the maker, and to pay a certain sum of money only to or on the order of a certain person to the bearer of the instrument. Now we'll come to the differences where we'll find the parties to both these instruments. So in case of a check, there are basically three persons involved. One is the drawer, second is the drawee, and third is the pay, the person who pays. Okay, and whereas in the promissory note there are only two parties involved. One is the maker and other is the payee. Okay. Another difference can be a check can only be drawn by the account holder of a bank, whereas a promissory note can be made by any person. In a check, an order of payment is given to the bank, but in promissory note, there is a promise to pay. A check is basically payable always on demand, whereas a promissory note is payable on demand or after a specified time has passed. There is no kind of no concept of grace period when it comes to check, but in case of a promissory note, there is 3 days of grace that is given to a promissory note payable after a specified date. So when you are calculating the date of basically maturity of your promissory note, what one needs to do is how you will get the exact date is if you made the promissory note for a period of 1 month, then for that 1 month and after that other 3 days as grace period will be counted, and then the maturity of the promissory note will be calculated altogether. The drawer and the payee may be the same person in case of a check. The maker and the payee or the drawer may not be the same person in case of a promissory note. In case of a check, there is no additional document or no additional attestation or no stamps required, or no stamps are to be affixed in case of a check. But when we talk about the promissory note, stamps are required to be affixed. Okay, and the stamps hold, they have the power to hold certain amount of money that they are, conferring to. And the last point of difference is a check can be crossed. I have also discussed crossing of checks in one of my videos. On the other hand, in case of a promissory note, there is no requirement or there is no concept of crossing of the promissory note. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video.